Where's your ball? Lily. Ow, stop biting me. That shit hurts. Stop biting me. That hurts. You're biting too hard. We got some things to learn. No, that's too hard. That's better. Okay, we're playing. You can't bite that hard. Okay, but we're done playing with you right now. You need to get your ball over there. Get your ball. Get your ball. Don't look at my food. Come on. Get your ball. When you look at, you can't go by there without getting, okay. You're going to get in trouble because you don't have enough willpower to not look at my food. Over here. She's having trouble keeping up with that ball. She can't get it out of there. She's trying to see if she can stick her paw back. Oh, you got it? Look at you go. All right, then. You're a problem solver, too? Look at that. Okay. Okay, you're getting riled up tonight. Well, I'm going to send you to bed early. Okay, you're biting me a little hard. Okay, I'm going to have to bite your ass back so you can see how that shit feels. Get the ball. Psst. Get the ball. Psst. Get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go on. Go get the ball. Psst. Go get the ball. It's over there. Psst. Get the ball. Get the ball. Go get the ball. Get the ball. You're a little wound up now, ain't you? Are you attacking me? Are you attacking me? Are you attacking me?